This monitor is designed for professionals who require precision, durability, and flexibility in their workflow. The LILLIPUT 17.3-inch RM1730s is a 1RU pull-out rack-mounted monitor that delivers full HD resolution at 1920 by 1080 with a 700:1 contrast ratio. While consumer monitors often focus on flashy visuals or high pixel density, this display prioritizes accuracy and consistency, which is essential for live broadcasting, multi-camera setups, and post-production work. The 700:1 contrast ratio ensures that colors are realistic and shadows are defined. It's not about exaggerated visuals. It's about displaying your footage exactly as it should appear. Every frame is crisp and clear, allowing you to catch details that matter most in professional production. One of the key advantages of the RM1730s is its pull-out design. As a 1RU monitor, it integrates seamlessly into standard rack setups. You can slide it out to monitor video feeds and push it back when it's not needed. The sliding mechanism is smooth and solid, built to withstand frequent use in demanding studio environments. This is perfect for setups with limited space where efficiency is crucial. Connectivity is versatile and professional grade. The monitor supports 3G SDI, HDMI, and DVI inputs, along with audio and tally signal support. On top of that, it features SDI and HDMI cross-conversion. This makes it easy to work with different camera systems and video sources without needing additional converters. Switching between input formats is quick and reliable, which can save valuable time during live productions. The integrated tally input is another standout feature. For live events, knowing which camera is active is essential, and having this signal built into the monitor keeps everything in one place. It simplifies operations and reduces the risk of mistakes during fast-paced shoots. Build quality is exceptional. The chassis is sturdy, the sliding mechanism feels robust, and the buttons are responsive. LILLIPUT has a reputation for making reliable professional monitors, and the RM1730s continues that tradition. It's built to withstand constant use in professional settings without compromising performance. The on-screen display is intuitive, allowing quick adjustments to brightness, contrast, and color settings. Accurate calibration is critical for production work, and the menu system makes it straightforward to achieve. For creators who need color fidelity, this is a significant advantage. Despite its 17.3-inch screen size, it provides ample viewing space for monitoring purposes. It's large enough to evaluate framing, focus, and color, while remaining compact enough to fit into a standard rack without occupying unnecessary space. The size strikes a balance between usability and practicality, making it ideal for studios and mobile production units alike. Overall, the RM1730s is built to be a dependable tool for professionals. It's not flashy, and it doesn't chase consumer trends. Instead, it focuses on providing accurate, reliable, and versatile performance for any production environment. Whether you're streaming, filming, or managing a multi-camera setup, this monitor enhances workflow and ensures your output is consistent and professional. For anyone who needs a compact, high-quality, and versatile rack-mounted monitor, the LILLIPUT RM1730s is an excellent option. It's a professional-grade investment that delivers precision and reliability in every frame. If you want to improve your studio setup or production workflow, check the link in the description to get yours today.